Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for north central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Portland, or 17 miles north of Gallatin, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Sumner and northeastern Robertson counties, including the following locations: Mitchellville and Orlinda. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 116 and 120. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.